Ever wondered how to extract real-time data from websites without using an API? Let me show you how. Web scraping is a way to programmatically gather content from websites using Python. It's super useful for data collection, automation, and even fun projects. First, we'll install the required libraries: BeautifulSoup, Requests, Pandas, and TQDM. These help us access, parse, store, and track progress in scraping. Our goal is to scrape quotes from multiple pages of a website and save them as structured data. We start by setting up our base URL and then loop through pages using pagination logic. Requests will fetch HTML content, and BeautifulSoup helps us parse it. We need to identify quote text, author names, and tags associated with each quote. We use a try-except block to make our scraper resilient to network issues or HTML structure changes. Each quote is added to a list of dictionaries which we later convert to a data frame. The scraper includes headers to mimic a real browser and avoid being blocked. After collecting the data, we save it to both CSV and JSON formats for flexibility. We also print a summary of how many quotes were scraped across all pages. Let me walk you through the full code and show how it's done step by step. You can apply this exact logic to scrape job listings, articles, product data, and more. This is your first real-world data project using Python web scraping.